Hello, guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we have planned to visit Kallar Meenmutty Waterfalls and Ponmudi Hilltop, which is nearby Trivandrum city, Kerala. Right now we are moving to the Kallar Meenmutty Waterfalls, and as per my personal experience, this place will be a good experience for the bikers as they can enjoy a bit of off-roading of around 1 kilometer maybe. Yeah, once when you enter towards the Kallar Meenmutty Falls, there is an entrance gate which is managed by the Kallar Tourism department, and from there we can get the tickets including the vehicles. Yeah, the current rate is 30 rupees per adult, 10 rupees per children, and an extra 30 rupees per vehicle also. So get those tickets before moving to the waterfall. After that, there is a point from where this trekking starts. So there we can park our vehicles and move ahead, and they have ample space for parking too for both cars and bikes. Once you reach the trekking point, show your tickets at the entrance and then start your on-foot journey to the beautiful waterfall. This place is around 45 kilometers away from Trivandrum city. As you can see in the video, like, it is a nice trekking location, complete pure forest experience. And the best part that I'm liking here is that the place is completely garbage free. You can see that there are no litterings around, which is very, very rare. I'm sorry, don't take me wrong, but that's another part of the story. Still, it's very clean. Yeah, one more thing I left to mention, which is like there is an entry fees at the Ponmudi checkpost also, maybe around 50 for adults and 35 for kids, I believe. Visitors have to buy the tickets before moving to the Ponmudi Hills. Nice location, nice viewpoints. There are some small points where you can get some good clicks. So let's move ahead. Finally, we reached the waterfall. Literally, the place is so calm and full of natural beauty. Wow, just pure nature, right, guys? Full of small fishes inside. See the beauty of this waterfall. Calm. We enjoyed the place a bit, and then we decided to move to a location where we can go down and enjoy the bath. in the flowing water from the waterfall. And we spent around an hour there. And that was completely fun. Everyone enjoyed. And after that we moved on to the Ponmudi hill. I'm sorry that I could not record the video because the nature was so beautiful that I completely forgot to record while driving. Finally we reached the Ponmudi hills. There is a lighthouse viewpoint which is little higher from where we are standing right now, but you know, from the bottom where we have parked our vehicles, this place was looking more attractive than the lighthouse, so we decided to move here. You guys, this hilltop is actually open till 5 p.m. only on all days including Sundays, so just plan your visit accordingly and spend a little time here on the top to enjoy the calmness and you know, chilly weather for a while. Overall we all enjoyed this trip, and after 5 p.m. we have you know, started our journey way back to home, and the complete day was you know, real fun for us. I must say that if you are near Trivandrum, must plan a visit here and enjoy the beauty. So guys, this is it for today. Till the next video, this is Raj signing off for today. Sayonara.